I will show you bills of both the governments, electricity bills, before I make a very important announcement today. These are bills from Delhi, the Delhi government's electricity bills, and I will share it with you after this press conference. Consumption of units 177. A consumer consumed 177 units of electricity. His bill is zero. Zero bill. This is the electricity bill. I've come with documentary evidence today. Another bill of consumption of 204 units by another consumer. His bill has come out to rupees 13.36. That is 13 rupees 36 paisa. Another bill of one Mr. Narayan Singh, who is a consumer of Delhi. He has consumed 205 units. His bill is 73. Another bill of one Mr. Vineet Deshwal of Delhi. He has consumed 211 units of electricity. His bill has come out to 4 rupees 99 paisa. Another bill of Miss Manisha Singh. She has consumed 174 units. Her bill is also zero. Another bill of 200 units with some previous unpaid expenses, unpaid bills. Her bill has come out to rupees 92. Therefore, I can go on and on and on about how bills in Delhi, which I am carrying with me, are absolutely negligible, and every consumer gets free electricity up to 200 units. On the other hand, you have electricity bills of Goa issued by the Goa government, which also I will show to you. You have a bill where a consumer has consumed 146 units. His bill has come out to rupees 377. You have another consumer who has consumed 141 units. His bill has come out to rupees 292. Had this consumption happened in Goa, his bill would have been zero. Another consumer who has consumed 129 units, his bill has come out to rupees 374. I can go on and on and on and on, and I am carrying several bills. On one hand, I have the bills of the Kejriwal model of electricity. On the other hand, I have bills of the BJP model of electricity. In Kejriwal model of electricity, you get free electricity and 24/7 electricity without any interruption. In BJP model of electricity, you get expensive electricity. You are fleeced, you are robbed, and on top of it, you do not even get proper supply of electricity. Now, I wish to make a very important announcement today. A very, very categorical announcement. When the Aam Aadmi Party forms a government in Goa, when the Aam Aadmi Party wins the upcoming elections, the state elections of Goa, within 48 hours, we will ensure that every consumer who consumes up to 200 units of electricity pays no money for consumption. That is, his bill becomes zero. And every consumer who consumes electricity between 200 units up to 400 units, his bill will be reduced by 50%. That is, the bill will be halved. I am making a very, very important announcement today. And let me tell you, 73% of Goa's consumers, 73% of Goa's population consumes up to 200 units of electricity every month. That means 73% of Goans will get zero electricity bill when the Aam Aadmi Party government is formed in the next state election.
साडी शॉपिंग करपाक आता बेळगांव वचपाची गरज ना. पणजीतल्या बॉम्बे बाजारात तुमका दर्जेदार प्रकारच्या साड्यो खरेदी करपाक मेळटा. नवीन व्हंकलेक नववारी असो किंवा उत्तर भारतीय लेहंगा, सिल्क साडी किंवा कॉटन साडी, तुमची पसंत आणि आमचे कलेक्शन. साडी स्वतः खातीर खरेदी करा किंवा गिफ्ट करा. बॉम्बे बाजार 18 जेल रोड, पणजी।